Hi everyone, thank you once again for clicking on this video. Today I share with you two different ways on how you can make your appetier face the wall, Konkonte, or your brown fufu recipe video. It's one of my favorites. Yes, one of my favorites. Yes, and trust me, very easy to put together as well. So without wasting my time, let's dive right into the video. All right, so to start with this cassava fufu, we're going to start by mixing some of the cassava flour with some cold water. Yes, you heard me right. You're going to be mixing this with cold water. And this is the first step that I'll be sharing with you. Trust me, the first time I saw this procedure of making kokunte, I saw it on my sweet sister's channel, Taste and Bloom. Trust me, she's doing so amazing on her channel. So please go and check her out. All right, so after mixing the coconut flour with some water, this is how it's supposed to be. It shouldn't be very watery and it shouldn't be very thick. This is the perfect consistency that it should be. All right, so now I've turned on the flame, so I'm going to be using my spatula to stir continuously. Remember also not to create any lumps at this point because we don't want our kokonte to really come out very lumpy. And after it starts to thicken up, I will start to press the spatula against the walls of my pot, just the way you see it on the screen is right now. This will make sure that every lump that is beginning to develop will break very easily. So after it has thickened up a little bit, I'll go in with some cold water. You can as well go in with hot water to cook it very fast if that is what you want, but it will all depends on you how you want it. So every water be water. So I'll go in some water, cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice and golden, just the way you see it on the screens right now. And afterwards I will flip it over and allow the other side to also cook for about 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes it should be ready. Alright, so after extra 10 to 15 minutes of cooking this on low medium heat, as you can see, it has really turned into the perfect golden brown color. In fact, if you ask me how much do I love this procedure, I will say 10 over 10 because it's very stress free. The outcome is so lovely with no lumps. Trust me, Taste and Bloom, chai sweet sister, this recipe there, you try you like you saved my life. Just look at how this kokonte is looking. Just say how swank as you trying, this will be awesome. Hey, so as you can see, the first step is ready and I just can't get enough of this. I just want to stir until my arms get tired. Yes, so that was just by the way. Now the kokonte or the face the wall is ready, so I'm going to wrap it in my plastic bags. If you are enjoying this right away, you don't need to do this, trust me. All you need to do is to serve yourself with any soup that you want and enjoy yourself. All right, so now we are done with the first procedure. I'll move on to the second step. Alright, so for the second step, I'll start by heating up my water. I'll go in with enough water. Yes, we don't need less water as compared to the first method. And for the second method, we're going to cook the water until it becomes a little bit hot and not too hot, just the way you see it on the screens right now. Afterwards, I'll set some of the water aside because I'll be adding it to it gradually until I get the perfect consistency. And for this method, as you add the flour to the hot water, you need to stir it. My dear, if you don't stir it, the way this thing is going to be very lumpy, you wouldn't love it. So you just have to do manpower thing. You just have to be adding it to it, and at the same time, you need to be stirring it just the way you are seeing it on the screens right now. Because as soon as you are done adding the flour, you should start to press the spatula against the walls of your pots so that your kokunte will not develop any lambs. All right, so at this point the thickness was very hard for me to control, so I needed to go in with just a little bit of water. I'll cover and allow it to cook. Mostly I don't usually ride my Konkonte on stovetop. I do it the local way on a coal pot. I mean the second method, so my Konkonte doesn't come out lumpy. But today I wanted to try Taste and Bloom's recipe to see how it will come out. But trust me, I fell in love with the first method because it was stress free. With no help, you can achieve a very smooth and nice Konkonte consistency. All right, so after cooking this second step for about 5 minutes, I'll give it a gentle stir, and at this point I really need to press it really hard to make sure I don't develop any lumps, because it's almost done. As soon as you go in with water, your Konkonte is cooked, because Konkonte doesn't take a lot of time. 5 to 10 minutes it should be ready. Yes, and Konkonte is made up of cassava flour. I'll be sharing the recipe with you very soon. All right, so as I am riding the Konkonte, I'm also going to be taking off any lumpy parts that I don't need from this Konkonte. And whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. If you haven't so subscribed to this channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Can you do subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so now our Konkonte is all ready and looking all stretchy. So now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. And so I'm going to be enjoying mine with some peanut butter soup, which I already have the recipe on my channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. All right, so fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this cassava fufu or Konkonte fufu in the comment section, and I will be waiting for you to read all your beautiful comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.